Welcome to this hands-on example of using Claude Desktop with Lusha's MCP. Let's take a look at a few powerful prompts that show what you can do when combining a large language model with Lusha's real-time data. Claude, look up Carolina Portela from Lusha.com using Lusha. Got it. Here's Carolina Portela's verified profile with her contact info and role at Lusha, all pulled securely using MCP. Let's go with another one. Claude, get company details for these domains: Microsoft.com, Salesforce.com, HubSpot.com. Done. I've retrieved the key firmographics, technologies used, and latest updates from each of these companies. Let's do one more. Claude, find me 2 UK companies with intent signals for lead generation using Lusha, and also draft an email for me for the VP sales. I would like a personalized email fit for the company and the role. Amazing. Look at that. Quick and powerful results. 2 UK companies actively showing buyer intent, plus a personalized email drafted for the VP of sales, all done instantly. The skies are the limit. We can really go crazy with this one. You've just seen how fast and powerful prospecting can become with Claude and Lusha's MCP. We're talking verified details, real-time analysis, company signals, prospect updates, job changes, and seamless integrations with your CRM using third-party platforms, all done in seconds. And the really exciting part is that we're only getting started. So stay tuned for new updates, even more automation, and next-level AI-powered sales tools that will keep your pipeline full and your outreach on point. Happy prospecting, and see you in the next lesson.